Hey, Mac. Hey, what are you doing? Macker. That tongue hanging out. Hey, don't get into that. Hey, cute. Were you going after a fly? Yep. We're going. That's why you were jumping at the counter. I thought he was going to jump and try to get on the counter. He was chasing a fly. I've never seen him want to jump on a counter. Truck in shop. Needed air filter. Little things. Over full by a couple gallons of oil. Got the truck that way a couple weeks ago. It's not blowing smoke, but maybe it's going through a lot of depth because it's having to compensate for.
Hi there. First truck.
Really? Well, that's cool. There's a macker. See, she's right now. That's awesome. Well, that's what we're doing. And now it's at a safe, properly filled level. I just figured I had a slow leak on the tire. I'd get the oil drained down while I was here. So they don't have to add any. But that's what we're doing. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Mac. Mac. Boy. You good boy.